Manali to Leh Ladakh road trip is considered as one of the most beautiful road trips in the world. Leh Ladakh is called paradise on earth because of its breathtaking beauty, stunning landscapes, calm and serene lakes, lush green pastures and barren deserts. So, here is the list of top 5 places which you should definitely visit on your trip to Leh Ladakh. Nubra Valley. Nubra Valley is a beautiful valley located in northeast of Ladakh. It is about 150 kilometers from Leh town. The Shyok River meets the Nubra or Siachen River to form the valley. Nubra Valley is basically a cold desert famous for double hump camels. These camels were brought to Nubra from Afghanistan pre-independence, and later they became integral part of Nubra culture. So if you're planning a trip to Leh, then Nubra is among the must-visit places. Khardungla Pass. Khardungla Pass is the highest motorable road pass in the world and is gateway to Shyok and Nubra Valley. It is situated at an elevation of 17,582 feet above the sea level. This mountain pass is located at a distance of 32 kilometers from Leh. After reaching Khardungla, one is advised to stay not more than 15 minutes as one can suffer nausea due to lack of oxygen at such heights. On the top, there is a small Shiva temple, so if you're planning a trip to Leh, then Khardungla is a must-visit place. Magnetic Hill. Magnetic Hill is a gravity hill located near Leh in Ladakh. The layout of the area and surrounding slopes create an optical illusion that the downhill road is actually an uphill road. Objects and cars on the hill may appear to roll uphill in defiance of gravity when they are in fact rolling downhill. Thiksey Monastery. Thiksey Monastery is located on top of a hill in Thiksey, approximately 19 kilometers east of Leh in Ladakh. It is noted for its resemblance to Patola Palace in Lhasa, Tibet, and is largest Gompa in central Ladakh. So, if you are planning a trip to Leh Ladakh, then Thiksey Monastery should always be on your wish list. Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake is also referred as the High Grassland Lake and is situated at a distance of 229 kilometers from Leh town. This lake is 134 kilometers in length, most of which lies in Tibetan Plateau. So, if you are planning a trip to Leh, then Pangong is a must-visit place. And if you have liked our video, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.